Monkey loves banana. Other monkeys love banana too. Banana is good. Banana is life. But one day, too many monkeys, not enough bananas. Banana price go up. Monkeys angry. Why banana costs 5 banana leaf now? Monkey economist appears from banana bush. This is supply and demand. Supply is how many bananas are in the jungle. If jungle has lots of banana, supply is high. If jungle only has few banana, supply is low. Demand is how many monkeys want banana. If no monkey want banana, demand is low. If all monkeys want banana, demand is high. When demand go up and supply stay low, price go up. Because every monkey fight for few bananas. When demand go down but supply is high, price go down. Because banana seller gets desperate. Please buy banana. Rainstorm destroy banana trees. Supply go down. Price go up. Monkey influencer post viral video. Demand go up. Price go up. Too many banana sellers open in jungle. Too much banana. Price go down. If you sell bananas, watch the demand. Watch the supply. Don't grow too many if no monkey want them. If you buy bananas, wait for season with many bananas. Or ask Grandma Monkey for discount. Smart Monkey, not just watch price. Smart Monkey, create demand. Add sticker on banana, call it Super Premium Jungle Banana. Make Monkey think banana is rare. Now Monkey, pay more. Monkeys want bananas. Bananas want buyers. That's how monkey market works.